So, going down a typical British single track country road, you can see we just went into a 60 limit, but you're not ever going to get anywhere near 60. 60 is not relevant other than the fact that you just, there's no point having a 30 limit in roads like this. It can be unenforceable anyway, because some sections you can go faster, but as you can see, you drive to the conditions. So unlike so many roads, you don't have to stare at the speedometer, you drive to the conditions that are in front of you. So here I'm doing about 20 at the minute. You can see in this section here that it's very muddy, middle of the road's green. Around this corner, so as it comes to this corner, there's a space on the left, it's someone's driveway, but I might have to pull into it if someone's coming, so I'm going to go really slow. No one coming. So it's just constantly looking. I could see ahead there's like a line of about 10 people walking in a field or up the road. I'm not really sure where they are, but I can see them on the top of the hill. Getting really slow around this corner so I can see round it. Same here, keeping it easy. The road's covered in leaves, so it's really slippery. Pheasant there. And that actually opens up a bit. You can see all the way around. There's a load of ramblers or whatever they are up there. I can see them at the top of the hill. This section, a little bit faster, up to about 30 miles an hour. Now I'm going to slow right down for the bend. There is a place that I could pull into there. You're constantly scanning for places you could pull over if there was a car coming. So now I've passed that, I'm now looking for the next place. Here's the people that I could see from a distance. Just see them all marching along there, on the footpaths or the road. Actually, they're on the road. So, good example actually. So, I'm going to come up behind them. They're all going to have to move. There you go. Give them a nice thank you. Very pleasant, waving and thank you. Yeah, there we go. And then carry on past them, and that's why you're constantly looking, essentially, on these sort of lanes. Someone else, where are they? They're in the field. And then it opens up a little bit. So this section, lovely clear part of the road, a few puddles, but you come up to a house and a hedge, so my line of sight is now starting to shrink. There are potential hazards, so I'm going to slow it back down. And then as we come past, it does start to open up a little bit again. There is actually a car coming, but it's quite a long way away, so we'll carry on for the moment. And then as we come around here, slow down a bit. There is a passing place a bit further up. It depends if they've seen me and they actually slow down and stop into it, or we're going to end up meeting at somewhere where there's no passing place. No, they just carried on. We have to use this one. That's it. Easy enough. And then carry on up. And as I say, constantly looking, nice open bit of road. And it's very pleasant to be driving on roads like this. You can roll along, enjoy yourself, and read the road properly, unlike many a road.